I'm gonna show you around in that little house. I think that used to be a summer kitchen. And those of you who don't know what the summer kitchen is, it's basically where they would cook summertime, only because then it doesn't heat up the whole house without having air conditioning and all that. This tree is gonna go. So this definitely used to be a chicken coop recently. Here we are in the summer kitchen. There's water, supposedly, I don't know. I didn't dare to get in there because I'm not sure how stable this floor is. And definitely looks like it was used for chickens. And there used to be even heating here. Oh my. Oh, I just realized there's a toilet. There's a toilet in here. What the heck was this place? A guest house? Okay, well, eventually we'll do something with this, but I really wanted to have chickens. Do I want the chickens to be roaming in that big place? Yeah. There's the water going out. I'm trying to just replace burned out bulbs even before I replace the chandeliers because I want some more light, and trying to take out the old light bulb. I don't know how old this is, but I have to basically take it out in pieces, just like that. So I have one more to do. I'm gonna try to unscrew it nice and gently, but like the other one was so stuck, I had to rip it out. It's like shredding. That came up in one piece at least. I'm gonna have to bring a ladder because like this one is just almost too high for me to reach, so we'll bring that over next time I'm here. And I'm just using these daylight LED bulbs. Hopefully that will look good. Let's find out. Wow, this is so much better. Oh yeah, I like that. On to the next one. The next thing I want to do is replace the garage deadbolt only because I don't have a key to it, so the garage is not lockable as it is right now. So let's go. I bought the cheapest possible lock because it's just for the garage. So I kind of forgot that I don't really have a deadbolt. So I have to drill one, right? So let's do that. So that's gonna be more complication than I wasn't expecting. I also want to show you that I bought some window well thingies, whatever this is called, in the cover. And it was a Facebook Marketplace find that I just really like. I'm sure it's not antique, but it doesn't matter. It's the look I am going for. I'll show you some other stuff I bought for decoration. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and put in the deadbolt. I've done this before. That doesn't mean I'm an expert. So I have this jig from when I was working on the farmhouse that actually kind of tells you where to do it. So I'm not gonna break this. Probably not. Okay, so that's good. We'll get that on and drill. Right here is good. Oh, come on. Here we go. All right. All right, let's see what we got. Let's go straight. This to mark it where it needs to go. Oh, that's too short. I'm gonna have to put like a metal plate here because this is really not much. Yeah. Okay, I gotta chisel this out. All right, all done, ready to roll. The next thing I have to fix to keep the garage closed and locked is gonna be this guy here. It doesn't lock, and no matter what I do, it's not meeting the lock. I'm gonna try to take these off and see how easy is that to do, and then I just move it down a little. This is just not in the right spot. I've been shopping with my friend for a few things to decorate with in this room. And I've been to Facebook Marketplace to get these working lamps. They're beautiful. That's gonna be for the library. Also from Marketplace, I got these two cute little prints and this little fruit bowl. How cute is that? Now I have to go and clean the bathroom. You don't have to watch me doing this, but there will be, from that point on down, I'm gonna be scrubbing. So I spent about an hour to clean this bathroom as much as possible. I am not touching anything here, like inside, because I'm gonna take these out anyway. I just want to be clean and smell good, and I had to scrub around the toilet, nasty people, and just scrubbed all the tiles down. I scrubbed the door, and I'm just gonna finish up with the floor, but I had to scrape this. This had a ton of soap stuck to it, and the Parma stone is the best thing to bring those off. This one I'm still soaking with some toilet cleaner, only because it has these holes with yuckiness in it. I clean it out as much as possible, but I want to kind of get everything off. Sink looks nice and shiny. It needs to be recaulked here. This is all caulk. And when I have a ladder, I'm gonna take that cover off and wash that out. A lot of dead bugs in it. And then I still have to deal with that shade. I'm not sure if I'm gonna bother to clean that, but maybe I'm gonna take it outside and start scrubbing it and see how that goes. But definitely smells much better, and I feel more confident coming in here and using it for now, until something else will be improved. But one of the things I thought I'm gonna replace, definitely the floor. I'm gonna take this out, as I mentioned before, this little closet thingy, and probably replace the toilet as well, because it doesn't really flush very well, and it will need to be replaced anyway, because who knows what kind of caulking is that. It's just needs to be done anyway, so I'll buy a toilet, I think. I kind of like the sink. I might just keep the sink. The only thing I don't like too much is this tile. Is this supposed to be red? Because it's brown, I think. I wonder if I can just paint that like white or something else. I'm not sure. Yeah, not on the top of my list for sure. So I'm gonna go take a break now and then finish up that and the floor, and I'm gonna call that a day. I still have not surveyed my land, but that will be next when it's a nicer day. It's been raining and it's muddy. I'm not in the mood to be out here, and I think for today I've done enough. Clean the bathroom, put up a lock on the garage, and put light bulbs in. I did also a little bit of vacuuming before we cut up that old carpet. I wanted to vacuum it so it's not going to be a whole bunch of dust flying around. That's it for today. I'll be back probably in a couple of days. I gotta speed up the progress, so see you then.